It's time for breakfast, lunch, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I appreciate I like the comments and stuff like that, because like, it makes me feel like I'm not just throwing videos into the abyss and whatnot. But as bootleg as my content is, even though it's really not, it's decent quality. It's decent quality. It is. But gotta get out there. Gotta get some girlies watching my stuff. Gotta get some more men. You know what I'm saying? Cause like, but yeah, I'm trying to get some interactions going on, stuff like that. But like, I don't know what tags to put on my videos. So like, I don't even know how they work, because it's like you go to the tag section and it doesn't even give you options like at all. It's like, what the fuck? What could I even put as a tag? I can sit here and put literally anything. I can put anything. So I mean, honestly, realistically, I was gonna say like, what the fuck, like, actually, I'm not just thinking out loud. Like, I'm saying, like, actually, like, tell me what the fuck to tag my video as, even though I don't know, bruh. I don't know. So it's like, I feel like for some of them, like, I could put like, because I don't go into detail about certain stuff. Like, I just be fucking talking. Realistically, I vlog basically, and then it's like a video diary at the same time, and then like I'm chilling, and then like I'll shower, or like I'll do self-care, and I'll clean, or like I'll comb my hair and stuff like that. But like, I don't think I go into enough detail about like what I do for my skin for me to put like skincare. So it's like, I'm not just trying to get like BS views, you know what I'm saying? Like, somebody thinks that my video is one thing and they click on it and it's not that. And then also, I don't really do like thumbnails like that, because I don't like edit my shit. Like, I don't like, what am I supposed to put as a thumbnail? Like, I be chilling. But obviously this video, well, I mean, no, it is online, like, because I'm starting like this, but like, I'm not gonna stay talking like this for mad long. But this video is gonna be short. Some bullshit happened today. I remember I said I sent out that email. Yeah, I did. And you also remember that guy that was like, I'm not brushing my tongue. Yeah, I'm not brushing my tongue or taking a shower after I get off work. I was talking to him about the email, because it's like, he was supposed to be, his credentials said that he would be able to help me. And it's like, you like me, so why not help me, right? So I asked him to help me with the email, because like, it was fucking with me. Like, everything about writing it was fucking with me. So I was like, oh, help me, blah, blah, blah. And he was like, I don't think you should write it, because this is gonna happen, and that's gonna happen, and this is gonna happen, and that's gonna happen. So basically, he's telling me all the things that are supposed to take place, or that were supposed to have taken place, without me even having to sit here and write this stupid ass email. You know what? I really hope. Okay, yeah, because when like am I supposed to? Am I supposed to clean this? Because you know how like you don't clean like ground beef and like ground turkey and stuff like that, like ground meats, right? Am I supposed to clean this like stir fry meat that I have? You know what I'm sick of? Remember how I talked about like you just wake up with like random like cuts and stuff like that in your clothes? I have that in this shirt. Like I don't know what that's about. But yeah, like am I supposed to wash this or can I just like fry it on up? You know what I mean? I don't even know how to season this. Like I don't know what I want this shit to taste like. Cause I feel like stir fry stuff is supposed to be sweet. Even though, okay, so I have the same basic ass seasonings that I use all the time. This already has pepper in it. So it's like, I don't know. I kind of want them to be saucy, but at the same time, like, I guess they don't necessarily need to be saucy. So let me throw some garlic in here. Let me throw some garlic in here, get it nice and fragrant or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so I gotta start adding tags on my videos so that like they can actually come up when people like search stuff and stuff like that. Then again, like I have to start making videos that are like actually specifically that kind of shit, like geared towards it. So like, you know, people that want to dip their motherfucking toe in the water aren't gonna be scared off and shit like that. So I guess like technically this is like what, cooking, but I don't want to like, I really don't want to be confined to like, you know, having to put like accurate ass titles and blah blah blah. So yeah, there's a lot going on with this whole like situation, but I'm not gonna really get into that right now. And oh yeah, guess what? So I just took my garbage out. I just took my garbage out for the first time since like April of last year. Like took it out the can and took it straight outside. Realistically, like I don't know why everybody still lives over here. That's my thing. It's like, why do you still live here even? I don't know how I want to season this. I feel like low-key I should like, I'm just glad, like, you know how sometimes, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to relate, but like, you know how sometimes like I was definitely supposed to put garlic in the pan first. That's literally exactly why I washed this spoon. And did that happen? No, it didn't. So let me fucking season this shit up real quick. And like rewash my spoon. But what was I saying? What was I saying? Oh yeah, so I got the corniest shit going on in my life, so I need to I want to start a new chapter, and for me, that requires a new fucking everything. Like I need to move to a new area, you know, and then obviously if I'm moving to a new area, that means new crib. Oh yes. Oh yes. This shit smells so good. Oh my goodness. New area, new crib. Let me get this shit. Because I don't like the fact that it's not sizzling, you know what I mean? You know how people will like be like, oh, throw the garlic in the pan, get it like fragrant or whatever. I don't want it to be fragrant. I want to be able to taste it. My ponytail, I think, stuck up a lot better this morning when I woke up. But you know, we're not even about to do all that right now. I mean, low-key, I am definitely about to start making videos where, like, I actually do stuff. And, like, bro, I keep throwing shit in the garbage when I literally did not put a new bag in after I took it out. I came in, I sanitized my hands, I checked my email, and I like how I definitely tweeted, like, I'm gonna give it until, like, 12 o'clock tomorrow. And then tomorrow came, and some bullshit happened. So, yeah, I don't know. I found myself on LinkedIn. I probably shouldn't have put that, but I did. I really gotta let this shit cook, because these are some... Oh, they're so little. Like, there's a lot of pieces that are stuck together. Okay, I was about to say, like, these pieces are mad thick. They're never gonna cook. But they're just stuck together. Yeah. Way too hard. And I was definitely just thinking, like, I want something fatty. And these are really sticking together for real. Let's hope. Honestly, though, they don't look like they have a lot of fat. But I want something fatty. I'm literally sitting here fucking stir-frying my meat with a spoon. But, you know, it's fine. Bro, tell me why my fucking ex texted me today. And he was like, you okay? Let me not even call him my ex, because realistically, I feel like relationships where the other person treats you like shit doesn't count as a relationship. I don't know. Yeah, so let's not even call him my ex, but let's talk about how he texted me today and he asked me if I was okay. And I was like, no, I want a boyfriend. Guess what the fuck, like, if y'all knew, guess what the fuck his stupid ass says to me? Guess what the fuck he said to me? Like, I said, no, I want a boyfriend. And then I said, I don't know what you're talking about, though. Realistically, I was expecting him to be like, because he's weird, right? So I was expecting him to be like, oh, bitch, like, I don't know. Don't talk to me about shit like that. Or, you know, why would you tell me that? Or, like, I don't know, something shady. But, like, you know, normal shady. This motherfucker goes, that ain't happening. Not with me. First of all, bitch, I should be saying that to you. What are you talking about? Like, why does it have to be about you? Why the fuck does it have to be about you? Nothing was about you, promise. Nothing was about you. Nobody fucking wants you. If I wanted you, what are you talking about? Everything he fucking says, it's so annoying. And then, like, he's a weirdo. Like, he really perpetuates a lot of weird ass shit. And I don't like it. It's very much toxic. But, like, don't nobody want you? I want a boyfriend. Nobody asked you to fucking be with me. At all. The fuck? I have not actually wanted to be with him since, like, when we were first together. So, but he does that with everything. He does that shit with everything. So I don't know. He's lying though, cause it's like he misses our fucking relationship, and then he'll sit here and be like, "Oh, you miss what we had, but that's long gone." Da 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 da. I miss what we had. I was everything that we had. We didn't have shit. We didn't have shit. I don't miss anything. I don't even know why the fuck you would think that. I don't miss fucking anything. You're tripping. Don't nobody miss that. So, he's been corny like that. Should I throw the rice in with this? I'm gonna throw the rice in with this. Make it a little, make it, I don't know. I want it to be like creamy in a way, you know what I mean? Like saucy. But I don't know what's wrong with him. I don't know what's wrong with him. Like, fucking mean I miss what we had. If I sat here and I told y'all what we had, you would be fucking, you'd be mad. Like, I was about to say, you'd be just as confused as I am. But no, you would be mad. You'd be like, who the fuck does he think he is? Like, I'm lying. You wouldn't even say that. You say a lot worse. But yeah, let me throw a little bit of a little something in here real quick to wet up this rice a little bit, because it was definitely cold. But yeah, this is probably gonna be fucking trash. I don't have like any spices. I really need to stock up on spices. I need to stock up on spices. I need a new job. Like, I don't know. There's so many. Yeah, so you know what we're gonna do? I don't know. Because realistically, like, I don't know. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I know, like, people be looking at my tweets and stuff like that, but low-key, I kind of don't want to put my YouTube on my Twitter. But why the fuck not, am I right? Why not? Then again, Twitter is a completely... Social media is just wild nowadays. Okay. I feel like I didn't put enough garlic. At least, like, it's not going to be sweet. I don't know what this shit is about to taste like, realistically. Should I taste it? Cause I know this rice, like, I need to get a lot better at seasoning my rice. It's good. It's really good. I want to, like, let me just put a little bit more of this. And then TBH. vegetable. I'm tired of being in the house. I'm tired of being in the house. But this shit is about to be done. No. And let me do a fucking update. Everything. Apartment's still basically clean. I got a little bit of shit on the floor. That's my big ass pile of laundry. It's my stuff right here. That's my bed. That's my books. That's my bed. This is a plate from yesterday. Curse me out. Call me dirty. This is my stuff. I'm kidding. Don't call me dirty. Be nice to me. Yeah. Low key though, like certain situations like that, like only certain people could curse me out, and I will genuinely like it. Like I will genuinely appreciate that shit. This is obviously what I was wearing yesterday. I took a shower this morning, and I took it off. Obvi. My fucking towel that I'm using for the past like 2 days. I kind of like, I don't know. I don't like giving a fuck about stuff. Like, I don't know. I think like just stuff that like causes like negative emotions and like drama is just so dumb. Like it's so unnecessary. Like I'm too nice for people to be making me feel that way about them. Like there was nothing in like what we had going on that you needed to fucking act the way that you did. So it's like I kind of don't want to give a fuck. Then again, I have enough towels, so I could just get rid of his shit. He probably don't care.